Your eyes are your most vital connection to the world around you, and safeguarding them is crucial to preserving your vision and ensuring a lifetime of clarity and well-being. However, as we grow older, and with so many of us staring constantly at our phones or other screens, approximately 1 in 3 adults globally will suffer from dry, itchy, or irritated eyes. If this sounds like you might be one of the many people suffering from dry eye syndrome. Dry eye syndrome is a condition that happens when your eyes either don't produce enough tears or the tear film evaporates too quickly. Often, it's a mix of both. While dry eye syndrome may start as a mild irritation, it can lead to serious complications like eye infections, corneal damage, or impaired vision if ignored. Early diagnosis and treatment are essential to prevent long-term damage and maintain good eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain development at an early stage, and also for the formation of the retina in the back of the eye. But did you know that omega-3 is the top natural treatment, backed by research, that not only increases tear production, but also reduces tear film evaporation to improve dry eye symptoms? In this video, we will dive into the incredible impact that omega-3 can have on your eye health and look at some of the top natural sources of omega-3. As a special bonus, at the end of this video, we will compare 3 of the most potent omega-3 supplements and what to look out for when buying them. So be sure to watch this video all the way through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video so your friends and family can benefit from this knowledge. Everything in this video is for educational purposes only and not a replacement for advice provided by your eye doctor or healthcare professional. Dry eye syndrome happens when your eyes don't have enough moisture. Our eyes are constantly producing tears, and these tears keep the surface of the eye healthy and clear. But here's the thing, tears aren't just water. They also have oils, which are produced by tiny glands in your eyelids. These oils are super important because they stop your tears from evaporating too quickly. Sometimes those oil-producing glands don't work properly, which can cause the tears to dry up faster than they should. This can happen due to aging, long hours in front of screens, certain medications, or even windy and dry environments. Hormonal changes, especially in women, can also be a big factor. Blepharitis is another issue that's closely related. It's when the edges of your eyelids become inflamed, often due to clogged oil glands. This makes it even harder for your eyes to stay properly lubricated. If dry eye and blepharitis aren't treated, they can lead to more serious problems because there's less tear protection. Over time, this can also lead to damage to your cornea, which is the clear front part of your eye. Corneal damage can cause pain, blurry vision, and in severe cases, permanent vision loss. Adding omega-3s to your diet is a powerful way to improve both dry eye and blepharitis, helping to keep your eyes more comfortable and well lubricated. Omega-3s are healthy polyunsaturated fats that are considered essential for human health and well-being. Besides its numerous health benefits for your brain, heart, and joints, it is incredible for overall eye health and highly effective in improving the quality of the oils your eyes produce to slow down tear evaporation. They also reduce inflammation in the body, including in the eyelids, which keeps those oil-producing glands, called the meibomian gland, working properly. Every time you blink, these glands secrete a bit of oil into your eye which mixes with tears and prevents them from evaporating. Omega-3s can improve how these glands work and produce a better quality of oil for your eyes. 2 important types of omega-3 fatty acids are EPA and DHA, which are essential for various bodily functions but cannot be made by the human body itself, so we must get them through diet or supplements. EPA is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for conditions like dry eye syndrome and blepharitis, where inflammation plays a key role. DHA is a critical component of cell membranes, especially in the retina of the eye and the brain. It helps support visual development and overall eye health by maintaining the structure of the retina. While some may opt for omega-3 supplements, research suggests that getting omega-3s from food sources tends to yield better results for various eye health conditions compared to relying solely on supplements. Some great natural sources of omega-3 include fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are rich in both EPA and DHA, the most beneficial forms of omega-3s for your body. Flax seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, another form of omega-3 found in plant-based sources that the body can partially convert into EPA and DHA. Chia seeds and walnuts are other plant-based sources of omega-3. It is worth noting that studies have shown plant-based sources of omega-3s do not convert well in our bodies to EPA and DHA, as well as those in fatty fish. Many people prefer the convenience of getting their daily dosage of omega-3 from supplements. However, it is worth noting that consistency is key, and not all supplements are created equal. It can take several months to see the benefits of omega-3 supplements, so stay patient and consistent. Although omega-3 supplements are generally safe for most people, we always advise you seek advice from your health professional before starting any new supplement. Still watching? Here's a special bonus for sticking around till the end of the video. We will look at 3 of the top types of omega-3 supplements and tell you what to look out for when buying. Let's start with what to look out for. Always look out for dark bottles or opaque packaging, as the oils are susceptible to light damage, so avoid clear bottles. Look out for high EPA/DHA content on the label, as some manufacturers will have capsules that consist mostly of other oils that will not deliver the beneficial omega-3 goodness. A standard omega-3 capsule typically contains approximately 180 milligrams of EPA and 120 milligrams of DHA, so always read the label. Try to buy the triglyceride form of omega-3 as it offers several advantages compared to other forms, such as ethyl ester. These advantages include better absorption by the body and less risk of oxidation. Let's now look at 3 types of omega-3 supplements. Fish oil, such as cod liver oil, is a great source of EPA and DHA, as well as vitamins A and D. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. On the downside, it may contain mercury or other contaminants if it is not sourced from high-quality purified sources. Krill oil. Krill are abundant and harvested in a more sustainable manner than many types of fish used for fish oil. This makes krill oil a more environmentally friendly option. It is also absorbed by the body faster than fish oil and contains the antioxidant astaxanthin, which helps protect the oil from oxidation, whilst offering additional health benefits like protecting cells from damage and supporting skin health. 2 main disadvantages are that krill oil has a lower concentration of omega-3 than fish oil, and it is more expensive. Algae oil. Unlike fish oil, algae oil doesn't carry the risk of contamination from mercury or other heavy metals. There is no fishy aftertaste, and when compared to fish oils, it has a smaller environmental footprint and avoids issues like overfishing. However, it is more expensive and harder to come by than fish or krill oil. There you have it. Omega-3 has truly amazing benefits to your eye health and well-being. Check out the links in the description below for omega-3 supplements that pack a real punch. Until next time, stay well, stay vibrant, and take care of your body naturally.